You can see it better from the main road.
Behind Wuhan. No, it's to the right more. It's between the two light posts.
Oh, it moved.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
You see, there's a gray building with
so
a light.
we're grabbing that flag and bringing it back, or what?
No, you just gotta secure that building.
Yeah, hold it.
Okay.
But
they own that whole space.
What?
They own that entire area.
Oh, I know.
If you find a guy that has pink guns, he has a Joker card.
Oh. Well, I shot him earlier, but there was no way in hell I could get him.
There's a whole separate gunfight over there, which is not even the objective. I say we avoid that.
Yeah, well, we got to push past it, and they own hospital, too.
Nope, I just lost mine.
I lost mine right away.
I've killed a bunch of people, but none of them have been close enough to kill them.
Same.
I got someone's car.
You good?
I beat him in rocket.
I can take right.
Stay like 10 feet behind us.
I can take right.
We have a grenade if needed.
You got one? Okay.
You can go up more. You want to take lead?
Fuck it. Let's get in here.
I'm pretty sure he's saying they're in that 10 building.
Yeah, so let's get different angles on it. Well, you're lefty.
Oh, you're hit, man. Hit your gun.
Friendly on the backside of blue building.
Shit on the back end. Oh, hello. That's a friendly, bud.
My bad. Dad, sorry. Sorry. My bad, man.
On the very back of the brown building, the dude with the pink gun is there.
Is that you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, man.
Burger Queen?
Burger Queen. I always thought it was Burger Town. Modern Warfare, man. Slash Cold War, but
And let's get in here. Monkeys, let's go. We own it. Let's go.
oh, I was gonna hit. That was spooky.
Tobin, get in here. Let's go, guys. We own it. Yeah, we own it.
I'll watch this side. Yeah, friendly up front.
We have one up front. Tobin, can you get up front? Where's that coming from?
Watch the woods here. They might be dead.
Where?
Oh, me. I'm dead.
Where at?
Shit.
Did someone drag him to me?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I can.
I'm already hit.
Hey, watch that way.
Whoa, that's...
There's a ricochet.
Did that hit me? No.
You ready to move? Simon, are you ready to move?
I'm hit, yeah.
Okay, good. I'm dragging you.
You medic too?
No, but he is. Tobin, move to that front room. That's where we're going to medic him. All right, you ready? Come here. You ready? And stand up. Going. Right in here. Come on.
Oh, thank you.
Get him up. I got this. Shit. Watch that corner. Hey, watch that fucking corner. I am covering you as much as I physically can.
Oh yeah, they'll shoot you. Sad thing.
Are we done? You there.
Watch that red building.
Let's get out there.
You watch that red building. Or
Somebody watch that front door. Og, that's you. Where are we taking contact from, guys?
alright, we got Tan over there, so we're good.
Tan! We need you guys. Move in. Yeah, watch Burger Queen. Where are they shooting at us from?
5 minutes left on the yellow flag!
I don't see any contact yet, but they're going to rush us hard in the last couple of seconds.
They're definitely around here. Alright, I'm gonna go back in that corner then. They just cannot enter the building. Where is that coming from?
In the woods right there.
I see nothing, dude. I'll just pepper in there. I got plenty of ammo. That's not a problem.
There was definitely a guy.
Okay, I am changing so I have a fresh mag.
Victoria, are you still on the radio?
Huh?
Are you still on the radio?
Yes, I have our comms up because our command is useless. Alright, I am popped off with another 250.
That guy went across.
Alright.
How many minutes we got?
Less than 5.
Oh, I didn't even see you up that.
3.
3.5.
When are you calling it out again? At 2?
This is my first day using a radio. You're saying Ashton or Austin? Yeah, I'm at the yellow flag in the city. Morgan?
Do we have a problem up there, gentlemen? Eyes.
Keep an eye out on it.
Are any of you guys in the city? Or like you over here?
Oh, heads up. Is that friendly?
That's friendly, that's friendly.
He almost got himself shot. You go down underneath the window, like not in the window, but in the corner.
Behind, 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 behind!
Behind where?
Left side, toward bar.
Stay right there, Simon.
I'm not supposed to try to move.
Do not fucking move.
Hit.
10.
Ooh, yeah, 10. You're 10, yes?
Yep.
Okay, do not fucking point your rifle at me then, please.
Seconds on the yellow flag.
10 minutes.
Run that shit back. Go, we got you. Got him. Oh, shit.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you, sir.
Woo!
Yeah, I want him out here too.
Yo.
Guy without the LMG shooting full auto?
Huh?
Was that one dude shooting full auto? Not an LMG.
They already called him out.
Okay.
It's okay.
So would I have been back in?
Yes.
If he was shooting full auto and he still hit you?
I don't stand a chance.
No, the ref put our guy back in.
Oh, okay.
But I died way before the other guy did.
Gray sweatshirt guy? Yeah.
That shit's so bogus.
Dude, I saw one of our guys with an FN2000 using 3-round burst. I'm like, no, dude, you can't do that.
Yeah, they've said it so many times at the start.
It's fucking regular rule set here. I don't get it.
People are shooting full auto.